Hey, and welcome back to another video in my eBay parts repair playlist, the playlist of videos where I go on eBay, Mercari, and OfferUp and purchase broken electronic items and try and fix them on camera. What we have today is this. This is a Nokia 5610 XpressMusic from 2007. This phone has no power, no life at all. The usual issue with this phone back in the day was, it was actually quite a serious issue. It had an issue with its ribbon. The sliding mechanism used to pinch the ribbon sort of, and the display stops working out of the blue. I had a friend who had this phone and it had that issue. He changed it like 2 times from Nokia, and eventually it kept on breaking, and like eventually he just went for a different model. So it's a flawed phone in some way or another, but we shall see. We shall open this up and try and fix it. But before we jump right in, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel if you like. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Liking this video helps my channel a lot. So if you honestly like the video, please consider hitting that like button because it helps me get on YouTube's algorithm, and it helps promote this channel because YouTube's algorithm is really picky. So please consider hitting that like button. It helps me out a lot. And the subscribe button if you think I earned your subscription through good videos. Anyway, already pictured A12 1D whatever. So this is from my usual seller. He does this red sticker to show that the phone is completely broken. He said the screen is scratched badly. It's not. It's actually in great condition. He said there's no power at all, so I'm guessing it's not the display. It could be both, so you know. So this one is made in China, so it's not one of the European made ones. Let me check what type of battery I need for this thing and be right back. So the battery needed for this is the BP5M. I don't have a BP5M. The next best thing is the BL5F from the Nokia N95. So let's go ahead, put that in. It's not gonna go all the way in, so like leave it like that, and we'll see if we get anything. That battery is fully charged. So is that even the power button? Yeah, it is the power button. Or is it not? Looks like, how do you turn this thing on? Is it this? Yeah. Oh, it works. Oh, right. I thought the display was screwed up. Start phone without SIM card. Yes, please. It works. What is he talking about? It's orange. The network is orange, blah, 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 blah. It works fine. Huh? The display looks fine. Everything looks fine. What was he on about, the seller? I'm confused. Okay, whatever. Fun and apps. Is this the original OS? It looks kind of different. Settings. Yeah, it is the original. There's a theme on top of it. Why did he say it doesn't work? I mean, he's not tested it properly, obviously. It works just fine. Look at it. Even this thingamajig works. See? This is the navigation key. I remember using this on my friend's phone and really loving it. This thing has radio as well. See if there's any music on here. I won't be able to play it, but still. All songs. Ice Ice Baby and You Can't Touch This. Classics. So I'm assuming there's a bunch of personal information on that, so I'll erase those later and I'll avoid going into the gallery and stuff. So we're not going there. Settings. What is this thing running? I wanna check. Forgot how you do that. Phone updates. I mean, I could do star hash 0000 hash. There we go. 5610 blah blah blah, version 5.29. Okay, so that's what it's running. Thingamajig works fine. So again, $4.5 for a perfectly working phone that the seller did not test properly. How do I... Games and apps. How do I go to the camera? Because this thing has two cameras. There's a camera up front too. How do I go to the back camera on this thing? Don't tell me this thing has one of those weird cameras where you can't access it through the standard camera app. Where is the camera? Fun and apps. It's definitely there. Or instead of searching for that, let's press the dedicated camera button. Oh, memory full. Okay, so we can't access the camera. Delete some items. Let me do this off camera and be right back. Hold up. Okay, I deleted some stuff off the phone and I just noticed it's the T-Mobile logo here. So this phone is from T-Mobile. I don't know why I said Orange Wireless, but the square booting screen, you may have seen that square at the beginning. That kind of looks like the Orange Wireless logo as well. Orange Wireless is a French carrier, telecommunications company, where a lot of my Xperia phones are from there. The X10, the Arc, a lot of those phones were from Orange Wireless, so that's why I mistook it, but it's T-Mobile. So camera, we can go in now. So that's the back camera. I'm kind of holding the battery in place, so it's gonna get covered up. There you go. So that's the back camera. Options. Let's see if we can use the front camera. Portrait photo. Is that the front camera? No. How do I... self flash, self timer, settings. Please don't tell me you cannot switch to the front camera again, because Nokia is known for having front cameras and then not being able to access them. Is it that? Nope, that's video. Yeah, I guess it's one of those things again. You can't access the front camera. This thing does have a VGA video call camera, so I guess this camera is again one of those where you can access it only through a video calling app, which is highly annoying. That, or you can just download a separate app, but I'm not going to do that right now because all the apps have no certificates and are outdated as all hell. Anyway, phone works, phone looks also great. The seller probably didn't test it properly, so that's why he marked it as broken, but whatever. A perfectly working phone anyway. Another great piece to add to my collection. I think I might put some songs on this because I really like this slider-like thing and actually use it for a while. We'll see about that. Might do a review on this phone in the future. We'll see. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see a full review on this phone using it here in 2020. I was looking forward to a good repair video, but this is what we got. It's kind of a 50-50 thing. I kind of wanted a repair video, but I kind of got a working phone, so it's good and it's bad at the same time. But yeah, whatever. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, check out my channel, and if you honestly loved what you saw, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I hope I earned your subscription. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.